Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. To create a Python program that merges emails, we can use the smtp library to send emails. Below is a step-by-step tutorial with a code example. 1. Import necessary libraries. smtp, for sending emails using SMTP. Email.mime.multipart, for creating a MIME object to handle multiple parts of an email. 2. Set up your email configurations. Update the sender_email, receiver_email, subject, and body according to your requirements. Configure your SMTP server settings such as SMTP_server and SMTP_port. 3. Create a function to send emails. Create a function, for example, send_email, that takes in the sender's email, receiver's email, subject, and body as parameters. Inside the function, create an SMTP connection, set up the email message, and send the email. 4. Call the function with your email content. Call the send_email function with the appropriate parameters to send the email. Here is an example code. Remember to replace your _SMTP_server, your _email at example.com, recipient at example.com, and your _password with your actual SMTP server, sender's email, receiver's email, and email password respectively. You can further enhance this program by reading email addresses and content from a file or a database to send multiple emails in a batch.